And we're back, part 2. Here we go. So the shower is coming out quickly and easily in large panels like this. We are on day 2. Let's show you the progress. Here's the small bathroom, teed off the original fresh water line and drain so that we can install our double sink and double faucet setup. Of course, got the AC pumping, 64 degrees, very comfortable. And here is the shower. Again, day 2, today is quite simple. We are going to frame out the niche so that full tiles land at the bottom of the niche. We are installing 4x12 subway ceramic with jolly trim for the niche sides of the shower. But yes, tub is in, drain kit's installed, valve is plumbed. We will now again install our niche, install our curdy board, and get to tiling. The build begins. We've got our laser up, our 4x12 ceramic tile, horseshoe shims, 12x20 niche. Everything is waterproofed, prepped, ready for tile. And we are back. Let's show you what progress we have made and of course what needs to be done next. Shower is complete. All the walls are flat, plumb, and square. Niche trimmed out. We have a plastic layer on this tub. We're going to grout the shower, pull the plastic, install our trim kit, shower head. The floor is in. We need to prep and grout the floor as well. We have a new pre-hung door here, which will be installed, obviously, for the entrance of the bathroom. And before we leave today, we will spray our orange peel texture. So we're spraying all walls. Of course, we got the vent fan in, 4-inch LED, deleted that center decorative light, installed 2 more lights to match the double vanity and sink that will be installed. So it's time to get to work, hang this door, grout this shower. Here we go. A handful of miscellaneous items to wrap up. A lot of things to do, but very small and easy and quick to do. Let me quickly show you here. We have the vanity in. The vanity will be stained this color here. This is a medicine cabinet. Decorative lights are up. We are working on getting the faucets installed on the top. Floor needs to be sealed. The shower is complete and will be sealed today. Shower head trim kit will go in fairly easy. We need to trim out this door with square casing, paint trim, paint door on both sides, and that is pretty much it. 2 mirrors to hang. So we're gonna wrap this bathroom remodel up. And of course we installed matching backsplash to complement this vanity. Same tile, same trim edging, miters at both corners, Schluter Jolly, black and white shower design. And the project is complete, guys. Let's give you a quick walkthrough of the completed full bathroom remodel. This is a tub surround, new vanity flooring, everything top to bottom. So let's show you here. Swing over here. Obviously installed a new vanity. I believe the client will be staining this wood to match this medicine cabinet here, but vanity installed, soft close. We have a Carrera top. Undermount sinks. Moen faucets, Jack and Jill. Keep in mind, the original vanity only had one sink and faucet. So we needed to tie into the original fresh water line and drain, double it up to accept our new vanity. Installed 2 decorative mirrors and lights as well. Have some storage here. Of course, a new medicine cabinet was installed. Let's take a look at the floor. Porcelain plank wood look. This is at a 33% offset. Fantastic texture, quality porcelain. Of course, installed a new toilet, square baseboard. And let's look at the shower. Turned out absolutely magnificent. We installed a new bathtub, a soaking tub, fiberglass. Of course, we installed a new valve and trim kit. We have a very large rain head up there, a curved shower rod, and of course this is the subway tile that we installed, a 4-inch by 12-inch. Everything is flat, the walls are flat, square, plumb, everything is clean. We have silicone around the perimeter of the tub, silicone at the top of the shower, and of course silicone where the 2 planes meet. Here's our 12 by 20 niche. This is trimmed out with black Schluter Jolly. Of course, your layout must flow through the niche like it does here. Everything is centered. We have full 4 by 12 ceramics ending right at the bottom of the niche. Takes a little bit of layout in order to accomplish that. Swing on over here. Of course, we have our Schluter Jolly to trim out the side of the shower as well. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you know anybody who might find this video interesting or useful for tile design ideas, don't hesitate to share. And I'll see you guys on the next one.